Say me I get call. I make MTN call just now. I mean, I Glow people call me. Tell me say I get call.
SARS.
Wait,
sometimes they want to say, why you be my friend? You know, the reason like me, why you are the reason. Right? SARS. Or sometimes I ask, how I didn't know you. Eh? You gotta think left, right, think go right. You know what I mean?
Eh? You go explain what you mean now, so that me I go understand.
No, what you mean? What I mean be say, eh? As you see spirits like this now, that means say God they communicate with you with delivery. You know, get them. You feel they call PIN number. ATM, all those people their papa don't die, forget to give them their PIN number. You go to collect the PIN number, you go to give them. You know the film.
Oh boy! My guy!
I tell you.
You know, say since when I know you, now the first time when people like say you don't think straight, like who they express with this. Oh boy! Don't be small money we go make.
Don't be small money we go make.
Oh boy! We don't hammer.
Better hammer. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get clients. We're going to come. We're going to give them their papa. ATM of who don't die. Their PIN number. We're going to get all those pool. That's what they go pool. Even those people they play bets. We're going to give them. Play this one. Chelsea go win. Man go win. You know what I said? When they make money, but
they go to register.
But that is I don't know. But I'm going to hold the money. I'm going to hold.
You they see where me and you they get problem. Now you make a time say if you talk go straight, you go come like say your brain can't go like a leg. Nah. You don't they talk well oh. Nah, your brain don't shift.
How my brain to shift?
We never even start the work. You don't define who will they keep the money.
But now my brain and my sense, I mean bring the idea.
Oh yeah nah, since now you bring the idea, what you go do now be say you go hold the idea, hold the spirit there, bring the message. Eh? Money never come. You don't argue who will hold the money. No, you go hold the spirit there.
I'm not saying what
your real father, your real father,
your real mother,
your real father. The one when train you, not be the one when born you.
Your picking papa, your picking real papa.
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
I thought that everything is over now. I never knew it would be like this. And I met Shekwan and Chegari me Chigoku. Oh, Chino, where are you? Come to my aid, oh Lord.
Mami Kenna, what is the problem? Huh? Why do you hate this girl so much? Have you forgotten that she is our daughter-in-law?
Your daughter-in-law, not mine. Your own daughter-in-law. Have you forgotten that from the first day she stepped her feet into this house, I told you I never liked her? That girl is a pretender and can't go quite Oman confuse him. I don't even know why you're always protecting her. Why? Why? No.
Because that is what I'm supposed to do as a father. It's expected of me. Huh? I find the supposed him. Huh? See, let me tell you this. They will give us grandchildren at the appointed time. Patience.
If we patience say na can never.
Huh?
And where that patience? Why can't you be man enough and call your son to order? Tell him to go and take another wife that will give us grandchildren. In the patience.
See, their life is none of our business. Yo.
It is our business.
It is none of our business.
It is our business.
Go and get me something to eat.
Get you something to eat. I will not do it.
Huh?
Oh, look here. If you had grandchildren, they would be the one giving you food. I said, no matter what I forget. Just want your grandchildren, your wife, go to you.
Mami, can I go with them? Are you the God that gives children?
Papi, can I teach that I couldn't?
One, you are tasking my patience.
I want my grandchildren is here.
You are tasking my patience.
I can't wear my
Mommy, can I go and get me food to eat right now?
I am not getting you any food to eat right now.
Oh, you want me to force you?
Oh, I
can force you. I can force you.
I wonder what's keeping my husband. He's been gone since morning. I just hope he's all right.
I am all right.
You left without telling me.
I kid your whole son tambo. Eh? Why are you asking? Is this the first time I'm going out and coming back home late?
Well, this time around you did not tell me. Besides, you left very early before the cock crowed. That is very strange.
I went to seek solution for my son and my daughter-in-law's childlessness.
Why didn't you tell me to go with you?
Are you going to die with me if the need arises?
What has death got to do with this? I mean, why would you want to die because of grandchildren? Besides, a dead man cannot carry children.
I think I'm famished. Go get me something to eat. I'm very hungry.
Oh, well, you give me some time so I can warm up the food.
Do I know you?
I don't know if you can still recall my face. I was the one that sold the...
Waist bead?
Yes, yes.
Oh, goodness. I've been looking for you since that day you gave me that bead.
Why didn't you call me on the phone? I gave you my numbers.
Call you? Wow, I lost everything that in fire that engulfed my home. That night, as soon as I brought that bead home, I kept hearing scary voices. Huh? My house became a ghost haven, pressurizing me to return that bead. And when I kept delaying, my house caught fire, burnt down everything. I mean, everything except that bead. And I have to sell off my business and return back to the village.
So why didn't you throw the bead away?
Throw it away? I said it keeps coming back. It keeps coming back. Anytime I throw it out, it keeps coming back. Thank God that you are here now. Look, let me just go and get you this bead. Please, okay? Thank you. Take. Thank God. Thank you, eh? Thank you. I thank you.
Wait, how much do I...
No. Thank you. Just go, eh? Go with everything. Don't bother yourself.
I need to give
Please, don't bother. Thank you very much.
You really don't want anything?
No. Thank you for everything. Just go with it. Go.
There's something to assist you.
Madam, please go now. Thank you for coming. God bless you. Don't come back again, no, please. Eh? Don't come back again. Jesus Christ.
Your act was selfish, Iken. Traditionally, you should be giving your wife every support she needs now. I mean, things like this are the reason why we are called scum.
That's not true. I gave her support. At least she still has a roof over her head. In a civilized society, she should be signing her divorce papers right now.
Why?
Okay. She put me in a difficult situation. She should have confided in me. I feel so ashamed right now.
You shouldn't be ashamed of anything. Miriam is your wife. You should even be thinking on how to crown your wife a queen for not having an illicit affair with another man.
She had an affair with my father.
Ghost, he's your father anyway.
This is so sick. I am just confused right now.
You shouldn't. Your wife needs you now more than ever. And I believe also you need her so that both of you can make it together.
Oh boy, how you see her now?
Oh, but it's clearly, you're clear.
You clear like?
Clear like any.
Hey.
But you made mistake.
What happened now?
You know, put price concession fee.
I suppose put the money for
yes,
you.
like for right now, concession fee under this place.
Hey. And the teaching amount will take there now.
No, nah, you go put us on the person go ready as they come. See them. You go pay back, come.
Now I make us say you come on time. Maybe you ride this.
Why you no wait for me? Because you want to chop the money alone.
No, not be like that. Come, I still get inside and move on right.
Another one. You don't get friend, don't get friend.
This is actually deeper than I thought. Honestly, your father-in-law went too deep for you.
Pastor, what is the way forward? I don't want anything to happen to my family. I should have told my husband the truth. And now I live in regret, knowing that things might go wrong.
Sister Miriam, nothing will go wrong. Nothing will happen. We all make mistakes. Promising not to go back to our mistakes. Nothing is going to happen.
We have to return this bid. Pastor, how do we go about it?
You know what to do, of course.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know how to go about it.
It's simple. You have to open communications with your late father-in-law. He alone can tell you the exact spot to drop the bid.
Pastor, is there no other way out?
Of course, there's no other way out. Open communication. I mean, it's not a big deal. God has taken control. Where's thy faith? Come on. You have to open open communications with your late father-in-law. He alone can tell you the exact spot to drop the bead.
My daughter, you suddenly cut communications with me. Why?
Tell me where I can drop these evil beads.
Why do you want to drop the beads? Don't you want to have children?
I will have children for my husband at God's own time. But please, tell me where I can drop the beads. I no longer have use for them.
For you to drop the beads, you have to embark on a very long journey to the mountain of Azara.
Sorry, where?
Surprised? Well, I wanted you to have children. But I wonder why you decided to trade the same beads that I went so far to get.
Light and darkness have nothing in common. I will have children for my husband at God's own time.
And I am not going to let you have that easily.
See them. Una dey see, no go see them. Una welcome. Una welcome. Na him be this. No fear. No fear. Una dey come.
Did you locate my late father?
See them. One they come. One they come.
Please, did you locate my late father? Tell me that he has already given you the pin to his 2 accounts. I need it.
Hey, she! Not talk again. One they come. Ah, you're welcome. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. See your papa they come. See you hold your pin for hand. Hey! They come. Your papa they eat snail when he dey alive. He too slow. See they come. See they come. Oh really? Why you go slap me?
Me slap you? How I go slap you now? I thought they said they come.
Why you slap me?
I don't slap you. Continue.
Not try him again, no.
I don't slap you.
You distract me just now.
I don't slap you. Let me slap you.
Please don't distract him. Please.
Put the pin.
See your papa they go back. They go find the pin for under his spiritual pillow.
Why is it that this man is too selfish? Even at death.
Honey, please. Let me come with you.
Darling, this is my cross. Please let me carry it alone, please.
I am your husband. You are my responsibility. And you must understand that we are in this together. Please, I want to come with you. Please.
I go find your papa, come back. Oh yeah, they come.
Call him.
Hey, they come.
What is the plane now?
Okay, let's go.
What's going on?
Okay, you know say what I tell you since you know the that ghost. If you see the guy slap when he slapped me just now.
A ghost?
Yes, so.
Darling, are you listening to us, As? You know he talks anyhow. Let's go, please. Open the gate.
Madam, me. See here. You go reach everybody's top for this house one day. As I dey talk another one day here. I dey talk another one day.
Treading on the path of the spirits is so dangerous, so scary, so fearful.
I have heard legends about the mountain of Azara. No one goes there and comes back alive.
My father did. He came back alive.
That's impossible. I can't believe it. Do you have evidence of his visit?
Yes.
Where did you get that?
Do you know what it is?
This is a potent charm that is reputed to bring the dead back to life. How did you get it?
Alichi, Namdi. We need to return it to the mountain of Azara. Please, we came here to seek your help so that you can show us the way and give us directions. Please.
This journey will take us days. But I can only lead you to the boundary. I will not step my feet into that land.
Okay, Ichi, we accept. Please, we need to hurry. Time is of the essence.
Please.
Okay, let me get ready. I'll do this. Let me get ready.
Good boy. Calm down now. This is not the end of the world, eh? The war never finish. You know understand?
No.
Just calm down. Even sick at the chop, now they make noise.
This not be the end of the world. This not be the end of the world. Eh? Now when I die, now you will know say the world don't end. Eh? Now so carry out the drink for days now. They tell me say not be the end of the world.
But now this is the same man we talk say they go village. They go soon return. I don't be village they go.
They go soon. They go soon. They go soon. Eh? Now there be Jesus when they wait for to come. They will soon come. They will soon come. Eh? You dey talk now. You go tell me whether your oga they leave you for hungry like this. Your oga they leave you for hungry.
You know say my oga you know say I like food. So that make if they come out, you go package my own level, keep it for one side, far away, come out. You won't better if they don't come back, if people sell this house, you can't touch the owner of the house. You don't understand?
No.
But this is very sweet. Now you just say
Don't do your day, I beg, make I do my day. Everybody day in lane. Just do me, make I suffer myself by myself.
Wait, man, see what
wait. Let you want see.
Man, test that now. No, understand. Huh? Just calm down. You're going to come back. You will come back. Just relax. But more first start with this organization.
Maybe you start with. No. We'll start with your inner brain. And your inner brain will stay start because you be generator.
You don't say my guy too like me. And I make say, you don't give me for the keep me. I can't the one that say when they use my destiny.
Even though the man give you your destiny, you'll use a nonsense destiny. If your guy use your destiny, now you say now you take buy side mirror for those in motor. Because your destiny not reach to buy stereo. You take your destiny, nonsense destiny. I'm talking about the last destiny for heaven, now you take. After environmental sanitation, you want when the sleep come out for the Gabriel room.
You bring this one.
Miriam, my dear friend, why did you do this to me? Just because I wanted what was best for you?
Sandra, I'm sorry. Please, it was a mistake. I was ashamed of my husband knowing my secrets. Please forgive me, please.
I will never forgive you. And now, you will join me.
No, Sandra, please. Sandra, please. Sandra.
Join me!
No!
Join me!
No!
Come with me.
Treading on the path of the spirits is so dangerous, so scary, so fearful.
Honey, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm just tired. I miss my bed so much.
Don't worry, my love. You will get back to that as soon as this is done.
I pray so.
Take the right turn. Yeah, this turn.
Ichi, are you sure? I don't want us to take the wrong turn like before.
No, I'm very sure about it. Just go ahead. Now, even though it's been long since I came to this part of just go ahead. Aha, good. That's it.
Come back from anywhere when he knows say go. May only continue that work when I do. When he leave person, may hungry keep person. Nonsense. I know they like insult and I hate waiting. I know they like waiting. I hate. Make only continue the work. Mama.
What's my pikin?
Mama.
Hey! Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. How you doing?
Welcome, my pikin.
Hey, Mama, how you doing now?
Besides,
Hey, Mama.
this one where you come, I hope you know wahala.
Hey, Mama, which kind of yarnings be this one? You go just the yarn of pata. Which kind of yarnings? So problem go fair day before I go come back. I be here not be my papa house again.
No be wetin I dey talk or size. No be you two know say I no mean I dey happy say you come. I dey happy say I dey see my pikin. But as you come now, you no plan to come. I no even expect am.
Now you dey talk now. I mean make mistake. Like say I know I for tell commissioner of police make he inform you. I for even tell road safety make he inform you. I go tell IG, come tell army, make they come inform you say I don dey come. Maybe na that time you go expect me.
E no good though. As you dey talk like this, e no good.
Mama beg just leave all this your yarnings because look my face, you go see all here they come out. They not take me fry akara. Now hungry. Now they bring out all this oil. So I beg, go give me food, my shop.
Osas,
Mama.
That hungry way they hold you, make it hold you well. Because you not tell me say they come back. You tell me say they come.
Mama, this one when you talk, now your own. Make only me go survive myself.
Osas,
don't worry.
Not touch my pot, oh.
Only me go
survive. Not touch my. Osas, not touch my pot, oh. I don't tell you now, not touch my pot, oh. Hey.
Treading on the path of the spirits is so dangerous, so scary, so fearful.
Where is this place?
Are we there yet?
Not yet. You see, this place is not motorable, so you have to walk.
Ichi, please. All these are new to us.
Yes.
Why don't you lead us to the place?
Please.
You see, there is always a first time, But I cannot risk my life just to take you to Azara.
But Ichie, how do we know when we'll get there?
No, it's very easy, my dear. Very, very easy. When you get there, you will know. The place is... get there, you will know. No problem. Please, good luck,
Treading on the path of the spirits is so dangerous, so scary, so fearful.
We can do this. We can.
Yes, we can.
Let us go.
Mama, wait, I know they understand you. I want to make you explain to me where. So just yarn and where. Make I understand what you they talk.
Osas.
Mama.
Since when you come back to this house, you don't give me money to cook soup or any food of any kind. Osas, but you want make me a go thief. Make a go thief, come cook for you. Make you balance, come chop. Now lie you.
Mama, now don't they understand now. Okay, you want me to give you money, Abi?
Now.
You know over talk and where? Ma give you money.
You not give me I go thief?
No.
Make I go thief, come cook for you.
No problem. See, Mama, you get any amount for mine when you want me give you.
If you have anyone waiter, bring it.
Eh.
Any amount where you get, because I know say if they carry you, hit you for ground, then I know they for your pocket. Anyone where you get, bring them.
Okay, no problem. I dey come, eh? May I bring money for you? I dey come.
Again, you don't want the money. You come back house, you not even give your mama 10 naira.
Where is this place?
I think we must be near our destination. That must be the mountain of Azara.
It looks so quiet and scary.
Yes.
Who knows what we are going to find there?
It should be quiet. Can't you remember that Ichie Nnamdi said it's the dead hills of Azara?
I can't remember him. I can't remember him talk about dead hills. Though according to him, there are plenty stories and theories about the mountain.
Honey, let us be on our way before it becomes very late.
Let's rest
No.
a bit.
No. Let's be on our way. We're almost there. I will help you, my love. I will help you.
Every time my sister worry. It makes they come back house. They go carry rice. They go carry local. You won't be saying I'm to come back home. Osas!
Mama.
Where you carry this bag they go? I dey ask you.
Where it be like say I dey go?
Now I dey ask now.
See, as it be say you wan take hungry take kill me for this house, e no go work. If not be say na God and nowadays since when I come this house, Osa for don kill me. I dey go back to where I dey work. I dey go back because anyhow when it be, I must see food shop for there.
Hi, Osas. Shebi na I be your mama. But if to say I be you, I for look for better clothes, cover my face with shame. The kind shame where they shame you, I dey pity you. Pikin like you, some pikin they come home, they go carry bag of rice. The shame wey supposed to they shame you, now you dey shameful.
Mama, see see, make I tell you oh, the luck when you get be say, not be pikin na dey abort mama from belle because na me for abort you. Una for not even born me come this Kpako family. See, you know wetin they call will. Oh, you think say na will when we dey take play when we small. Na because you not dey city. See, if you come city here, people papa and their mama they write will for their children. They keep house, they keep land, they keep money, they keep cars. When papa die for here, the long note when he write down, when I dey say person what benefit. When I open am, not be gbese, all the gbese when he dey owe. Even per me when he drink when I not there aware, make her for pay. You dey talk of this one, that one. Not be una nine for keep something for me till they start life. You follow me, they yarn.
I dey cry for you.
Mama.
You know why they cry for you? Because you no get shame.
My shame lost for road. I go pick am as I dey go.
I know say your shame dey for road. Pikin wey immense dey come by, they go carry better thing come give their mama. Your own na kpako bag na you see as e be. If to say I know say this boy go be like this, you go dey break my heart like this. I for flush am out. Nonsense.
Wow. This come back when I come back, so now big mistake now I make. I just hurry go back before God go know say only me be don't resign, can't re-employ myself again. Oh boy. I go plan myself, man, know as I go dey feed though. Because this mama, you won't take hungry, take kill me. This woman, you know, make heaven. Even though you make heaven, now boys quarter now you go stay. How they go?
So, guy, like how many minutes you dey look say you go dey here?
Just 1 hour.
1 hour? Hey! You won't take 1 hour to fire person pikin? No, wait, to make I ask you. Plane, if plane take off from here, they go Abuja, how long did they stay for air? When you go there on top of person pikin for 1 hour? Those people when they plane, some don't sleep, some don't drink juice. You go just fire person pikin for 1 hour. Fire! You suppose go Savisa for rest. Oh boy, now 30 minutes now I won't give you. No verse. And you will give me 4K.
I don't care. Which I will give you now 3,000.
Now 3,000. Now you want to stay 1 hour before. Now 3,000. Now you want to fire person pikin. If they take 3,000, they fire your pikin. Oh boy, you suppose they Savisa for rest. Give me 4K. 4,000.
I will give 3,500 now.
Oh boy, I don't understand you. When you dey come, you don't look the house hotel when you dey enter. The house hotel, the place not be hotel, not be house. The two they go together, house hotel when you dey enter. What go happen? But I make 3,900. Now because of this girl, now fine girl, now I make her give you 3,900.
Look, Mama just give me 3,600. Very simple.
3,600.
Yes, 3,600.
Hey, okay, make her 3,650.
3,600.
If I collect this 3,600, make I tell you, I no want hear say this girl dey shout, or come dey blow siren for that room. I'm gonna not spoil the bed though. Na 3,600. Like say you prepay 4K now. I for say she fit do like pussy. Meow, meow, meow. If you even dey shout, I don't die you. But this one when I dey collect 3,600, I dey comot sound though. When I not do any sound. I bring the money. 1 year say. Now this one where you do hand. Don't say you sabi walk oh. You say you do hand oh. My guy will come pay money finish. You will go disappoint her. But the money many pass like that now. How come that? But the thing say that your last cash you won't give me.
Oh, this one now.
What they do like that oh? I'm gonna come and show na the room when I go stay. I come. I dey from and see the girl when you want to use table scatter my bed. What that? Boy, you're in good group.
Osas. Osas. Osas.
You don't hit my guy. Hold the first.
Osas!
Mama!
Osas!
Bia. Welcome, ma.
Why did you leave my son's gate open like that?
God bless you.
Don't you know that people can come in here and steal from him?
Welcome, ma.
What are you talking about?
God bless you, man.
By the way, where's my son and every other person?
They not tell you.
Tell me what's
Mommy say your phone not they go now.
What's it mean? What happened?
Your son and the wife travel.
Travel to where?
Mama, wait oh, I dey come.
Yeah, Osas, come back here. Come back. Hey, what kind of a human being is this? Eh? Where did my son pick this boy from? Osas! Osas, come and carry this bag. No. Osas! Osas! Is this what Marian has been using that is preventing her from? Do you know? Did my son bring in a girl?
Pass this side, go straight, then go right. Wrong!
Asma?
What's going on here?
Nothing. Nobody. I just try to remember the message when Oga sent me.
I heard voices. I heard you saying, go, run, exactly.
Mama, you didn't hear what though?
Of course now. This my ear, this left one, they hear better than this.
Yes. Now me just they tell my mind. Because they try to remember the message when Oga sent me. My mind they tell me say no, not be the right message. Now tell my mind say run. Come on, run, not tell me wrong thing.
See, that's your mind where they run on SAS. By the time Oga go come back, I go tell them what you do. That's your mind where wrong go. You go wrong come back.
Mama, not do anything.
At the end of the day, you no go get mad.
I not do anything.
Not do anything.
Nah, just.
But they smell people.
And our neighbors them.
Shut up. Which neighbors?
Our neighbors were not the bath.
No. They are their own body odor. They different. This one, they a new one. Osas.
Mama. Now I tell them make the bath.
Go see.
Now our neighbors.
Go see.
Ngoya, Meba. Ngoya, Meba. Ajantule. Ajantule, you are welcome.
We have come to...
I know why you have come. And you are at the right place. If you had wasted a little more time, it would have been a different story.
Why? I was not the one that collected the bid. I'm only here to return it.
And you think you can just come here, drop it, and leave? Meba Ajantule. Meba Ajantule. Meba Ajantule.
It's late. And my son is still not back. Did he tell you where he was going?
Mama, now you make your face come be like this. Since when they come out for this house, they're not coming for phone. When they come out, they're not telling me where they go. The only thing is, may you call them for phone.
I have called them and I'm not reaching any of them.
Man, I don't know. They're not coming. They're not telling me where they go. Oh no.
This is serious. But you know what? We'll go back to the gate. Stay awake so that when they come back, we will open the gate for them. And I'll come over.
Mama, I go try you. But you know, say, you sleep catch me, I go sleep. I not go feel control sleep. Because I not get remote.
Better remote your own. My friend, go.
I go try. Don't go.
We must break the curse that binds you in these beads.
I leave you in peace. Hope you can find your way back.
Yes. I hope we can find our way back to where we parked our vehicle. It took us days to get to this place.
Which way to go? You are not far from where you parked your car. Walk down this path, you'll find your car.
Treading on the path of the spirits is so dangerous, so scary, so fearful.
Darling, I thought you were already asleep.
I can't sleep. I can't seem to get her out of my mind.
Who?
Sandra. Nobody knew that I was the one that killed her. But I left her body in her sitting room to rot.
You have to get that out of your mind. It's in the past now. You should look to the future. Soon, children will fill up this place. Everything will be fine. Let us get some sleep.
Okay.
Excuse me? Yes? Who are you and what are you doing in my kitchen? I am talking to you. Are you deaf? What are you doing in my kitchen? You should know better than prowling about my kitchen. Hey, I'm talking to you. What? Jesus. Jesus.
You killed me. And now, you have refused to confess.
Sandra. Sandra, it was a mistake. It was a mistake. Please, I'm sorry.
Confess. Confess! Confess!
Sandra, please.
Confess!
Sandra, please! No!
Confess!
No!
Confess!
I'm sorry. It was a mistake. Please, forgive me. I blame it on my selfishness. I was selfish. I was trying everything possible to stop her from exposing me. Please, I didn't know that she was going to die, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Listen to yourself. See what your selfishness brought to my family. Miriam.